Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. In this video, I will show you how to take a full page screenshot using the GoFullPage Chrome extension. This is super useful if you want to capture an entire web page instead of taking multiple screenshots manually. So let's get started. So firstly open Google Chrome. Now go to Chrome Web Store and search for GoFullPage. Here you will see the first extension it is. Tap to open it. Now press the add to Chrome button and click on add extension. After installing, you will see the extension icon at the top right corner of Chrome. Here you will see the extension. The extension will automatically scroll through the page, and now simply open any of the website. Like I'm opening Google. Now just simply click on the extension. It will scroll all the page automatically and capture a full screen screenshot. Once it's done, a new tab will open with your screenshot preview. You can from there download image as PNG, download PDF, or edit. Here you will see like which image format you want, and that's it. That's how you can full page screenshot with GoFullPage Chrome extension. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy daily extension videos. Thanks for watching.